Hello, welcome. Let us start learning JavaScript. JavaScript is nowadays widely used programming language and it can add a lot of value to your profile if you learn a JavaScript. Let us understand what is JavaScript. You can say JavaScript is just a programming language, just like Java, Python, all other programming languages. Initially, when the JavaScript started, it was primarily used to create a interactive content on the website, and nowadays it is also widely used for server side development, mobile apps, desktop applications and automated testing. Some of the areas where JavaScript is used include front end, that is your browser, and mobile app development, game development and creating an automated test script, backend development which is done using Node.js, and some desktop app. Also IoT, it means some devices use a JavaScript for programming logic. This control the device behavior, that is embedded programming. These are some of the areas where JavaScript is used. Initially when JavaScript started, it started for front end basically, but nowadays in variety of the applications JavaScript is being used. Let us understand evolution of JavaScript, that is how it has developed over the years. Initially JavaScript started in 1995. After that various versions came between 1995 to 2015. In 2015 ES6, that is when the major upgrade happened to the JavaScript, and all the versions of JavaScript are fundamentally based on this thereafter. Now we will be focusing on learning the ES6 or ECMA script 6 or a ECMA script 2015. It means it was released in 2015, and thereafter whichever version is being released, it is built on this foundation. Once you make ES6 fundamentals very strong and they add more features on top of that, you can learn that separately. Just like in Java, after Java version 1.7, Java 1.8 or Java JDK 8 released new features. Just like that, after ES6, here ES7 and future versions will be based on this. It means fundamentals will remain same, but additional features will be added. So we will focus on learning this, which is a fundamentals, and after that some additional features you can learn easily, right? Once you make this ES6 fundamentals very strong. Currently ES6 is considered as a foundation for learning the JavaScript. It means JavaScript future upgrades will be based on this ES6. Let us understand what is ECMA script. ECMA script is the standardized specification for JavaScript programming. It defines rules, syntax, feature that JavaScript must follow to ensure consistency across different browsers and platforms. It will provide the standard for writing a JavaScript program, and we need to follow that rules and syntax. So this ECMA script is a standardization specification. You can think of ECMA script as a blueprint for JavaScript. Currently we are discussing some of the basic concepts of JavaScript programming. Once you understand few basic concepts, we will move into practicals of actual programming. So what does ESX stand for here? ES means ECMA script. X refers to the version number. For example, here ECMA script 2015 or ES6. It means ES6 was released in 2015. Thereafter they have released ES7 as well, but it is a minor change from ES6. So those features we can learn easily. Each version introduces a new features and improvements to the language. Just like any other programming language, whenever new version is released, they will add a bit of improvement or a new features on top of the existing version. Let us recap. We understood JavaScript is a programming language which is used in front end as well as various other applications including test automation, desktop application, backend, mobile apps, etc. Initially it started in 1995 and thereafter they have released various versions in between. In 2015, ES6, that is ECMA script 2015, was a major update, and all future versions of JavaScript that are released currently are based on this ES6. When we start coding and learning, we will focus on ES6. Thereafter, whatever version that has been released so far is a minor new feature addition on top of this, which you can easily learn thereafter. Thereafter, we have understood that ECMA script means standardized specification for writing a JavaScript. It defines the rules, syntax, features, etc. And it is like a blueprint for the JavaScript. Here ES means ECMA script and X means version number. ES6 was released in 2015. That is why it is also called ECMA script 2015. And we will be focusing on this while doing the practical programming. We will continue our discussion in the next part. Thank you for watching.